This is a usability test of the Sony Dream Machine model ICF-CA8W, conducted by Brian Su, Serena Lee, and Meiyi Chen. The product is a radio alarm clock that also functions as a message recorder. The setting of the usability test was done in Stevens Court with the participants consisting of undergraduates both male and female. They were chosen due to their unfamiliarity with the product, which increases the validity of the results. The tasks involved were 1. Setting the radio for an alarm. 2. Recording, playing, and deleting a message. 3. Turning off the alarm when it goes off.
There are 3 metrics to be measured in each of the 3 tasks. The first one is the time taken to complete a task measured by a stopwatch. The second one is how many buttons pressed it takes to accomplish the task. And the third one is the intuitiveness of the specific task on a scale of 1 to 5, with 5 being the most intuitive, as well as open-ended questions about the easy and difficult part of the task. The first participant was a female who failed to finish the first task as she didn't realize there were more buttons under the flap. She also didn't realize the clear button required a holding down mechanism to clear the message for task 2. The same clear button problem also occurred to the second participant, who later on figured it out and completed all 3 tasks. The third participant was a female who accomplished all 3 tasks, but also had a minor stump during task 1, not seeing the flap at first.
All 3 participants hit the dream bar immediately for task 3. Based on the data collected and our observations, we formulated 4 weaknesses of the product and possible solutions to improve the usability of it. 1. The flap leading to the alarm setting buttons could be switched with different color designs to improve its visibility to the user. 2. Changing the clear description to, quote, "holds clear" would help the users better understand.
3. All the participants questioned whether the dream bar stopped the alarm or snoozed the alarm. Better wording could solve this issue. All participants thought the dream bar could be expanded across the entire top of the product for better accessibility. Besides the second matrix being difficult to accurately measure, overall, the feedbacks from the participants were roughly in line with one another. However, our results could be more accurate if we included a more diverse group. Also, an interesting thing to notice was that, in general, the female participants seemed to have trouble on the first task, whereas the male participants struggled on the second. Increased testing size would provide better insights as to whether this difference exists or was simply a coincidence. With our improvement and suggestions, we believe that it will greatly increase the affordance of the product, especially with the knowledge that users often escape reading the instruction menu.